Good morning, friends. Good to see you. I'm Desert if it's your first time here. And today we're going to be making pigs in a blanket the easy way. Okay, here we are. So we are going to make pigs in a blanket out of these spicy mango with jalapeno sausages and these chipotle with Monterey Jack cheese sausages. Now what we're going to do is we're going to prepare all of them first in a cup of water in a frying pan, and they cook for 8 to 10 minutes to cook the sausages fully first. Then I will be making a pizza dough and wrapping them in pizza dough, and then we'll be baking them in the oven. Okay, so here's our sausages in their water getting ready to cook, and the three on the left and the one on the bottom are the mango jalapeno, and the three on the right and the one on the top are the chipotle. They are cooking away. Okay, our sausages are now out of the water. The three on the right and the one on the top are the chipotle. The three on the left and the one on the bottom are the mango jalapeno. I need to let them cool enough so that I can work with them, and when they're cool, I will make the pizza dough and we will wrap them. Now I say the easy way because we're going to use this. Just add water. Now, I can tell you how to make, I do make pizza crust, and I can tell you how to do that. But tonight is just an easy night, so this is what we're doing. Okay, so this gets mixed with half a cup of hot but not boiling water. Then we cover it and we let it sit for a bit to let it proof and rise. Okay, so I sprayed a little bit of oil on here to keep the dough from sticking, and I'm going to roll it out just on the back of this jelly roll pan. Let's get our dough out. There we go. And I'm going to spray a little bit of oil on my hands too, and this is for rolling it out. And here are our dogs. Now, I don't want to scratch up this because it's aluminum, and if I was cutting it with a pizza cutter or something, it might leave scratches on here. So I'm just going to cut it with the bench scraper. All right, I have it cut into strips. You can see my first one is covered, and I greased the heck out of this thing with that spray oil. Well, there they are, all rolled up and about to go into the oven. Baking away, puffing up nicely. So I am so cheating right now. I'm in my nightgown already. But I want to finish this. I wish I had a final photograph. They turned out really nicely, and we just ate them all. I ate 2, and each of my gentlemen had 3, and they were good. Now, the mango with jalapenos were not quite as spicy as the chipotle ones were, and if I had it to do again, which I won't. I don't usually use bagged pizza crust like that. It was I had 2 of them originally for a project, and I only used 1. So that one was just left in my cupboards, so I thought I better use it. But I really like my dough better. You can also, if you want an easy way to do this, use crescent rolls, or you can use puff pastry from the freezer section in your grocery store and use that to wrap them with. Also, either of those are really easy. You can even use biscuit dough and just roll it out, and use that. But I didn't really like this pizza crust that well. The boys were really nice, and they're like, oh no, that was good. We ate 3 of them like immediately. But I'm a little more critical, I guess. And I would recommend, I sprayed so much oil, I thought, on that pan that I was cooking them in the, my air fryer. I didn't use it as an air fryer. It's an oven, it's an air fryer, it's, several different things. So I was just using it as an oven. But I sprayed quite a bit of olive oil on it, and still one of mine came off completely perfectly with a nice golden crust on the bottom, and the other one, half of the bread stayed in the bottom of the pan instead of on my dog. So make sure that you really grease it up well so that they don't stick. But for a quickie, this was a delightful dinner. And it fed the boys well, and it fed me well, and the little bits of crust that fell off of the dogs, our two real dogs, enjoyed immensely. Alrighty. Well, thank you so much for being here. And please do give a thumbs up if you liked it, or a subscription. If you ever care to share, that would really, really help our channel a lot. And comments help us a lot too. So if you have a moment, let me know where you're from. We are doing 2 different posts a week, 2 videos a week. And I'm so glad you're here. Thank you. All right. You have a blessed day. Toodles.